Get ready for a refreshing and incredibly delicious salad that is so quick to prepare, you might crave it every day. Make a very different zucchini salad with a creamy and nutritious pumpkin seed dressing. We start with the dressing for this salad. In a grinder, add a handful of pumpkin seeds, which is half a cup, along with 1 sweet and sticky pitted date, 2 cloves of garlic, and the juice of 1 fresh lemon. To enhance this flavor, we add 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast powder. If you are not familiar with this amazing ingredient, nutritional yeast powder is a powerful plant-based source rich in proteins, especially vitamin B and essential vitamins, and it gives a delicious cheesy flavor to the food. 1 tablespoon of parsley for a herbal aroma and flavor. Half a cup or half a measure of water to blend the ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper and a little salt. Then seize and mix. By the way, I've also put the purchase link for this nutritional yeast powder in the video description, so you can go and get it for yourself. Let's move on to our salad. Take a zucchini and use a peeler to cut it into thin, delicate strips. Then slice a juicy tomato into thin rings. Slice a cucumber as well and add it to the salad bowl. Sprinkle a teaspoon of sumac powder over the ingredients, which will make your salad much tastier. And finally, pour our pumpkin seed dressing over the salad and gently mix it to cover the entire salad. This salad is not an ordinary salad. It's incredibly fresh and delicious. You can make it for any gathering, and it's very healthy and wholesome. Did you know that metal cutlery changes the taste of food? If you eat fresh foods with a wooden fork or spoon, you'll truly understand the original taste of the food. Be sure to make and try this salad, because your body will thank you for making and eating it.